Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 3-in-1 wireless station for your Samsung devices, which I think it is really cool because I don't have any Apple devices. I have all Samsung, I have all Android, I have my earbuds over here, I had my smartwatch over here, and I have my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra over here. So having one station like this one that also gives you fast charge for your phone while charging all the other devices, it is a really good companion for your desk, for your office, for your nightstand, and things like that. It comes with the USB-C cable and this one for the wall outlet. So that's really cool. And this is the size. So y'all have it connected via USB-C over here. And you're going to see that comes with some pads over here will avoid for your phone to fall or something like that. And some places for your phone, your earbuds, and also your smartwatch. Let's take a closer look. So let's check it out. Let's put the watch first. You're going to see it's going to start charging right away. You can see that one charging already. And let's actually put the earbuds over there. You're not gonna see it right away, but it's a red light over there, meaning that it's charging. And then you're gonna actually see this one. Let me actually lock the phone first. So we are all set. And then we put the phone over here, wireless fast charging, as you can see. Super fast, really easy, really convenient, and of course it works with all the Android devices. Cool one, super nice to have on a nightstand or desk. I do recommend. Thanks for watching and see you soon.